special place in my heart, so I try fixing them without breaking me. I learned the hard way, but I do it no more thankfully. Turned to a beast when all they thought I told them where to see. I wasn't supposed to make it this far, I'm talking racially. This shit feels make-believe. I was so naughty, wouldn't stay with me in the streets. I ain't never paused to be, and I've been on the bottom for weeks. I had a vision, no one seen, not even my family. Music is saving me, but I know it could end fatally. So I keep that 40 on my side, ain't no one taming me. I wasn't perfect as a kid, but I still ate my greens. I started working in the crib when my friends were smoking weed. I started doing good and got more enemies. I keep my fingers up off the nut when I be in the streets. I know my boys got my back, but when it comes to throwing straps, hope they don't run when the bullets get ahead of me.
Tone of 30, I ain't showing the rocket. Yeah, I went for niggas that's blind. God, dead, all of my blood. Bitches, as much as she hated for fun. Bitch, I'm that nigga that do what I want. And I ass over and one of my guns. Yeah, he died one time on the earth. Now he died 2 times. Put the beam to the blunt. I don't even smoke a feeling in my lungs. DD got left, my boo got right. Just know I still smoke right. Like, just know I still smoke right. I ain't going out without a fight. I got diamonds on me, shut the light. Your bitch calling Didi to get pipe. When I'm calling Didi for the pipe. And if Brody gets stuck in the slammer, mama gon' help with the case. I'm a lawyer, I always got answers. Fucking bitches on the first date. I got bitches on me, Alabama. I keep running every other state.
Oh my god, I actually sat